Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make your hair soft, silky and shiny without using any synthetic products. This can be done very simple by using just 3 items that I'm sure you will must have. Before I tell you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my videos. Okay, you can use coconut oil and aloe vera as a natural conditioner for your scalp. Aloe vera has many benefits for hair. It makes your hair soft and silky. Coconut oil is a very good moisturizer for hair. It gives shine and prevents split ends. So, if you use this mask, you will not have to trim your hair very often. To prepare this mask, mix 5 tablespoons of aloe vera gel with the 3 tablespoons of coconut oil and 2 tablespoons of honey. Honey helps in blending the water molecules so you can keep the shine for a long time. Massage the mixture to the scalp and then go down to the tips of your hair. Make sure the mixture is properly applied to the tips because these are the most damaged part of your hair. After application, leave it for 30 minutes and then wash it off.